Hi everyone, and welcome back to Aveda's YouTube channel. My name is Jessica Howell, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I created this beautiful, effortless, messy, low ponytail. And I'm going to be sharing with you guys the products that I use and the secret weapon that helps you get it looking as perfect as possible. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial, and here we go. So to start off the low messy pony, I'm starting off with a beach wave already in my hair. If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I did the messy beach wave, you can check out the last video that was uploaded on Aveda's channel. If you're starting with fresh hair, you can just run a curler through your hair. It does not have to be perfect because it is going to go up in a ponytail, obviously. But I would recommend curling your hair first because it's going to help give that volume all throughout. So I've already prepped my hair with a heat protectant. This daily hair repair is amazing. You use it when you get out of the shower and it protects against so many harmful things that happen to your hair without you even knowing it. It is a heat protectant. It is also protecting against your hair drying out. It is basically the magic product. If you're gonna try anything from Aveda, I would recommend this. This stuff is amazing and it's really gonna help your hair. Then you wanna go ahead and bring your hair to the nape of your neck and secure it in a very loose ponytail. I like to use a really thin hair tie and wrap it around only twice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tug on the ponytail just to give it a lift. Once I get the ponytail into the correct positioning, I'm going to wrap the ponytail around one more time in order to really secure it into the position that I want it to sit in. Now what I'm going to do is pull all of the roots out of the ponytail, and it's gonna look a little bit crazy and huge at first, but we're gonna tame it down in just a second. When it comes to the front pieces, you kind of want to start small and determine how much you want to pull out, and I'm gonna pull them out so they're even. I'm gonna take my curling iron and just go over these front pieces, and you want to remember to curl these front pieces away from the face. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a piece from underneath the ponytail and we're going to wrap it around the elastic just to give it a more elegant, clean look. This is a Light Elements Aveda defining whip, and what this is going to do, it's going to make the ponytail look very piecey and messy, and it's just going to add the finishing touches to the look. I'm going to use the smallest amount, and I'm going to lay down all of these baby hairs. It really isn't too difficult. I do think that this defining whip makes the look. It kind of just puts everything into place. It's gonna let it last all night long. You definitely don't have to pull out the pieces if you don't want to. I just think it gives it a little bit of an edgier, messy look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this low pony hair tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to Aveda's YouTube channel and stay tuned for more tutorials and tips and tricks. And I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye guys!